Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make an omelet bread sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, a slice of cheese, and a tablespoon of butter. Whisk the eggs thoroughly in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are light and frothy. This ensures a fluffy omelet. Now, let's cook the omelet. Pour the whisked eggs into your preheated pan, ensuring an even spread. Immediately, place 1 slice of bread directly onto the liquid egg mixture. This allows the egg to adhere to the bread as it cooks. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges of the omelet begin to set and firm up. It's time to add the cheese and fold. Carefully flip the bread and omelet combination over in the pan. Place your slice of cheese directly onto the cooked side of the omelet. This will allow it to melt beautifully. Then, fold the overhanging omelet edges neatly onto the bread, creating a compact and delicious package. Almost done, place the second slice of bread on top of your folded omelet. Cook the entire sandwich for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until both sides are golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted. This final step creates a wonderfully crispy exterior. Slice your omelet bread sandwich diagonally and serve it immediately for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.